Hello and welcome back. Now in this video, we will demonstrate resume evaluation and candidate screening. Now hit the resume evaluation and screening button on the dashboard. This will bring you to your private zone, which has all the jobs created by you in the drop-down. Please select any of the job you have created. It will list down all the candidates mapped to this job. In this case, we have mapped one candidate, Rashmi Shah, for the IBM. If you change the job in drop-down, it will list the candidates mapped against that job. However, we have mapped the same candidate against JP Morgan Java job, hence it will list the same candidate. If you hit the Screen Report button, as in this case we have not yet screened the candidate, it will give message that first screen the candidate. As you can see under status column, its value is null. It means candidate is not yet screened against this job. Now let's hit the screen button to check whether this candidate is a right fit for the given job or not. QuickTechie engine will check resume and job description to find out the match percentage. It would take some time, so don't refresh page. Once engine completed and generated the matching percentage, you will see this successful message. Now let's check the result in status column against that candidate. In this case, we see resume matches 90%, hence candidate is a good fit. Also, system is considering its pass as well. Click on the Screen Repro button, since we want to check entire screening report in detail. Now we can see full report, match percentage when this screening was attempted, fitment summary, and also it will provide full detail about why candidate is considered fit or unfit respectively. In report you can see entire skill analysis, for instance which skills are matching, which skills are missing, in this case none, and if candidate has any additional skills. It's really cool. Next section shows experience relevance. Is candidate has any relevant experience to the given job or not? What level of experience this candidate has. In this case this candidate is senior. Next it is checking education and qualification of the candidate. It shows that candidate in Bachelor of Engineering and completed post-graduation from India's premium institutes. Also, showing that candidate is Java and Big Data certified. In next section, it shows keyword analysis, and check what density of the keywords matches between resume and job description. Also, what level of keywords mapping. This is very critical for candidate shortlisting for a job. If any human interviewer need to do this analysis, it would take much more time and chances of missing such analysis high, since he need to go through many resume, and he may or may not have that understanding. Next check is cultural fit, and for that it engine check that candidate has generated and values and what are their interest. In this case it is showing that the candidate's experience in fast-paced, technically demanding environments, JP Morgan, MSCI, suggests adaptability and a commitment to delivering high-quality results. Next it checks sector or domain-specific competencies. In this case candidate has worked in fintech industry as well as has their core skill is data processing, big data and Amazon Web Service. It also checks what all tools candidate had used as part of his job experience. QuickTechie engine has really done a good job. It not only did quantitative but also qualitative analysis. This is really a smooth, efficient, accurate and time-saving resume screening job. In this report you can check that. It is also giving you for which job this screening was done, and entire job description as well. Another cool feature is that you can download this entire report in PDF format, and if you want to keep a local copy you can have it, as well as you can share with respective employer and they can check this report in detail. Same way you can download this report in HTML format as well. This also has exactly same information. If you wanted to download the original resume of the candidate, you can do simply hitting resume button. This all together you can share with the employer or respective person. Now quickly, let's do resume screening for same candidate against IBM Java job. As we can see screen report is not available. Let's hit the screen button and wait for few seconds, repro to be generated. Okay, now report is generated pretty fast this time. Let's check the screening score. For IBM Java job resume and job match percentage even high 95%. And status is screen passed. Now similarly we can hit screen report button, and from there recruiter can download in PDF report and HTML report for against this job as well. With this cool feature of QuickTechie engine, shortlisting of hundreds of resume is few minutes of task, which is efficient, accurate, time-saving and almost 99% cost reduction of resume shortlisting, and no specialized professional or interviewer needed. It works across any skills. Any recruiter can perform this resume shortlisting in just few clicks as per their convenience. Thanks for watching the resume screening demonstration. In next video, we will cover the Interview Operation Hub, which is for setting up interviews and evaluating the interviews. Thanks once again.